reality is, food at Disney World is very expensive and can quickly eat into your Disney World budget. But you have to eat when on vacation, right? Because no one likes a hangry Disney park guest. Lucky for you, there is a super easy and convenient way to help save you hundreds on food when at Disney World. And with that, today I'm going to be sharing with you an easy step-by-step guide of how you can easily have groceries from Walmart delivered to your Disney World resort or hotel. So let's get into this. It sounds silly though. Why have groceries delivered to your hotel when at Disney World? Why not just eat at the parks? Well, I want to share a comparison of how much food costs at Disney World compared to how much you can get it when at the grocery store. As you can see, the food is significantly more expensive at Disney World, and by having groceries delivered, you can help save a lot of money in your Disney World budget that you can disperse into other areas of your Disney World vacation. Now, the first step you're going to do in order to get groceries delivered to your hotel is you're going to click on the link that I have pinned in the first pinned comment below. This link will take you to walmart.com and will help you to easily set up your order. In case you need to come back later to help set up your order, you can give this video a like to easily find it. Before sending up the order, it's going to ask you how you want your items delivered. You're going to want to choose delivery from in-store. Here you're also going to want to put in your address of where you're going to want your items delivered. This is the address of your Disney World resort or hotel that you'll be staying at. Personally, I put in the Polynesian Resort because that is my goals hotel. That is where I'd love to stay one day, but put in where you're going to be staying when at Disney World, and you can easily find the address on the My Disney Experience app or on the Walt Disney World website. The next step in the process is to choose all of the items that you want delivered to your hotel. So here I recommend choosing all of the food items you want delivered. This is also a great time to add any items into your order that you aren't able to bring when traveling or that you would like to have whenever you're down at the parks. So this doesn't necessarily have to be food related. If you're traveling with kids, I've had a lot of people deliver diapers so that way they don't have to travel with them. This is also a great time to choose some toiletries like shampoos and conditioners that might not be able to travel with you on your flights because they might be too large. But choose all of the items you want delivered in your order. I recommend getting some snacks delivered. And if you don't know where to start as far as food goes and you want to know what are some of the best snacks to bring with you to the Disney parks, I'll link a video here of some of my best recommendations. But if you need some quick recommendations, like I said, diapers are perfect if you're traveling with kids. Also some baby food if you need any of that. I like bringing snacks like goldfish crackers, fruit snacks. It's perfect if you can have a case of water delivered to your resort. You need to stay hydrated when at Disney World, and water is so much more expensive in the parks rather than if you were to buy a case of water off of Walmart. So I recommend adding that to your order as well. The final step in the process is the delivery step, and this is arguably the most important step because you want it to actually get delivered to your hotel. Once you have your order all built out in Walmart, you'll then go and choose a delivery date and time to go to your hotel. Now, ideally, you'll want to build out your order a couple of days before you leave for your vacation because you can only schedule deliveries a couple of days in advance. So make sure that you are building your order a couple of days before you go to Disney World, and then you can actually schedule and place your order before you go. Personally, I think it's best to choose the day that you're actually going to get to Disney World. This is really nice because you can have your order at the hotel ready to go, so that way you can easily pick it up whenever you're getting ready to get into your hotel room, and you can really hit the ground running and you don't have to wait on groceries and waste some potential park time. So go through and choose the day that you are getting to Disney World or any day that works best for you as far as your vacation goes. And I recommend choosing about 2 hours earlier than whenever you're actually going to arrive to your hotel. This sounds a little strange, but I think it's good to choose 2 hours earlier because sometimes there's some things that happen at Walmart that could potentially delay the order, and you don't want it to get too late in the day where they actually cancel your order. So choose about 2 hours earlier before you're actually going to arrive there. The next step after that, you're going to want to include some delivery instructions. This is a very popular thing to do at Disney World, so delivery drivers may already know what to do, but in case you get a newbie, whenever you go into the delivery instructions, you're going to want to type out that you are a Disney World Resort guest and to leave the order at Bell Services. All of the orders are going to be brought to Bell Services, and they are going to keep them and allow you to pick them up whenever you get to your hotel. They do have refrigerators, and they can keep some refrigerated items refrigerated while you are getting to your hotel, so those can be kept safe and preserved while you are waiting to get there. This is completely free to do. If you personally go and pick up your order at Bell Services, it is a free option, but if you do want to have it delivered to your hotel room, it is about a $6 charge, and you do have to tip the cast member that is bringing it, so just keep that in mind. Personally, I think it's easy just to get one of those luggage carts and you can put all of your items on it and easily take it up to your hotel room. It's not too big of an issue, and it is a free option to do. After you place your order, Walmart will keep you up to date on all of the notifications that you need as far as your order goes, and if there are any items that are out of stock or that need replaced, they will let you know along the way. As you can see, this is a super easy and convenient thing to do and a way to save some money on your Disney World trip, and it's nice having some snacks and items on hand ready to go whenever you actually get to your hotel. There are refrigerators in your hotel room. They are small, so keep that in mind, and if you are staying in some of the villas or the suites, they may even have little kitchenette areas so you can actually prepare and make your own food if that's something that you're interested in. So tailor this to yourself and your personal vacation that you're going on and see how you can make it work for yourself. But if you have no idea where to start as far as food goes, I will link my favorite food that I like to bring to the Disney parks in this video here, and if you're looking for some of my favorite recommendations, you can check out the link below. Hope this video helped get you some groceries easily delivered to your Disney World resort. Have a great trip, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys!